So I'll let you just grab that one first.
So this is what we used for many, many years. All one piece, all seamless. But again, great product. But what really made it fantastic was us.
How we installed
Our
it.
company, our people, the way we installed it, the way we serviced it,
Mm-hmm.
the experience that we gave people from start to finish, the communication, the cleanup. And look, we guarantee that we don't guarantee that no maintenance is ever required, but what we guarantee is if there is maintenance required, we're doing
Call us.
You're staying off a ladder
Right.
forever.
Correct.
Now we got gutter shutter. And we give the same great experience with this as we did with this.
And the same peace of mind.
Same exact peace of mind. Stay off a ladder forever. I mean, kind of see features and benefits.
Right.
This is much larger. And one thing that I don't know you guys up there, but one issue, or not issue, but the amount of water carrying capacity
Correct.
got to be an issue.
Sure.
With some of the large.
Well, the rains have been changing, right? Over the last couple of years, maybe the last 10 years, we've seen it.
I'd say the last 10 years.
If you look when you were a kid, did you ever see those gully washers where everything just gets washed out and it's crazy rain? No, you had a lot of rain, but never was those heavy rains. It's different. Right now we get these big heavy rains, couple inches in an hour or a couple inches over a couple hours, and it stresses out a gutter system that's not big. And that's some of the things you're talking to about with when we had leaf guard, is it the carrying capacity was a little bit smaller.
Yeah. Full 6-inch.
Mm-hmm.
This is a full 6-inch gutter. This is more like a
4-inch,
4.5
maybe
gutter. Now it can work great if it's sloped properly, has the correct amount of downspouts. This one here, one of the first jobs we did on my own house, and I think we did like a 56-foot run with one downspout. We would have never attempted to do this with the other gutter system. We would have never attempted to do it. It would have overflowed. It wouldn't have worked.
Right.
We did it with this one. In fact, we didn't even get the 3x4-inch downspout on because I'm lazy.
Lazy, not relax, lazy, but it's good.
No. This is lazy.
Fun.
We drilled the hole.
We did.
It's got an 1.5 inch flutter bit hole in the end of it. It has never overflowed. It's always worked great. It's never plugged. This stuff can handle a lot of water. It's also strong with this bracket. This bracket in here is crazy strong.
Yeah. So when you look at leaf guard also has a bracket. So if I show a camera, leaf guard also has a bracket, right? But with no end cap on, it's kind of a little bit flimsy. Okay. Shutter, no bracket on. But the way it's designed, the way it's a structural bracket, an engineered bracket, it's super solid. So if you go and pull on that thing, you can see that
you can't pull it apart.
You can't pull it apart. Right.
In fact, and then each bracket getting 2 screws makes it that much stronger.
Correct.
In fact, I can hang from it, do pull-ups.
We had a training at our shop.
Yeah. Shane's got video he will be putting on, correct, Shane? Yep. I got the thumbs up.
So we actually put 3 of our installers, and we did training. And again, it goes back to how you train, but we had 3 installers with their tool bags on, and what 600 some pounds?
Yeah.
A little over 600 pounds?
Like 610 pounds hanging from it.
From a 4-foot section.
Yeah.
5-foot section.
That's insane.
That's crazy.
So bottom line is bigger, stronger. It's going to handle more water.
Awesome service on the gutter shutter.
That's
us. You get us.
That's the main difference. Again, leaf guard, great product, but it comes down to the company.
Yep.
It comes down to the company that's backing it.
So it goes back to the age-old conversation.
Put them away.
Put them away. It goes back to the age-old conversation of that didn't go so good. Goes back to age-old conversation of what's the experience like, right? And you hear this a lot when
that's what
when people are doing if they're building a house or if they're they got a big project going on, like they want to enjoy the experience. And at the end of the result, a gutter's a gutter, a roof's a roof. We'll talk about that again in a future segment, but the experience should be fun. And we do gutter shut for somebody. It is fun. Like that's the one thing that people time and time again at the end of it say, you know what? It was worth every penny. It works great, looks good, but it was fun.
Hey, I actually got a good picture, Shane, that you can put on here. We're talking about the experience. We were doing a home over in Monona, and the guys people are amazed all the time at how hardworking our guys are. Like they don't take breaks. They're
always moving.
They just keep going.
They're frenetic.
Yes. My dad has a picture. He went.
You like that word?
I don't even know what it means.
Constant motion.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Hockey thing. We teach it in hockey.
Hockey.
Yeah.
Okay. The neighbors actually came over, and my dad went to do the inspection, and he got a photo. The neighbors came over while they were installing, brought lawn chairs and drinks, and sat and watched our guys install on their neighbor's house.
That's amazing.
They loved it. It was a great experience. They had fun with the guys. The guys were wonderful. At the end of the day, what I said to you earlier, there's lots of companies that can put a roof on, right?
A lot of gutter guys.
Is there anything proprietary about the products that we use on our roof?
No.
You can buy them.
ABC, Menards, Home Depot.
Not Menards. You can buy them at Home Depot. They have some different brands. But Home Depot, ABC, you can get the materials. But no other roofers do use them.
Correct.
So you can get those materials. They can put a roof on, but what was the experience like?
Right.
And you can put the best roof on in the world, and if someone goes around and finds a bunch of junk in their yard, they're going to say, oh, yeah, they did a great roof, but man, they left a mess.
But, right.
We try to avoid the buts.
Correct.
No buts.
No buts about it.
They did a beautiful roof, and
it was fun.
And it was fun.
Right.
And I would recommend them, and that's our goal.
Yeah.
Everything we do, have somebody recommend to another person. When it's gutter shutter, we get a lot of people recommending.
Yep.
Get an estimate.